Oh, he's a human walking headline, Andrew, and it keeps getting worse. And if you look at some of the commentary coming from the palace in the last 24 hours, they're hinting that there will be far more difficult days ahead. And I think what we're seeing now is Charles belatedly finally moving to remove Andrew from the family. My question would be whether this is being driven by Charles or actually, as my suspicion is, that it's William who is tidying up the monarchy before he takes over.
Hmm. Now, the book by Virginia Giuffre is coming out this week, and I'm sure the palace is holding its breath as to what else it may contain.
Andrew's story has fallen apart spectacularly. He is no longer a duke. The Duke of York title is gone. Sarah Ferguson is no longer a duchess. And I think, tomorrow, the book is released tomorrow. I think day by day, what you're going to see is Andrew and Fergie getting close to being put in exile. They may end up having to leave the UK.